Yo guys, yes, I'm doing vlogs here. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of Lush. I got something from Lush today, or I got it a couple of weeks ago. Bath bombs, basically, you know. Like, do a little bit of an unboxing video, like, that's what it looks like at the moment. So, I'm gonna undo this, and then basically once I've done that, and boom, I'll get it, like, I'll admit what we got. Right. Come on. Right, so... Sorry if I'm so focused and I'm doing the knot. Oh, there we go. Right, that's gone. Thought I'd give myself a paper cut then. There we go. And basically a little box, I guess. Thank you. Right. Basically what you get then is just a box full of these things. Yeah, Gordon, I'm in the middle of a video. It won't be long. Basically, got Lush in Cardiff. Yes, I do like Lush, don't take the piss. But Dad was just knocking to push the £100 under my door, so yeah. Shout out to him. Shout out to my dad who's giving me the £100. Right, put all this stuff away. Because the name of the bath bomb you get Dragon's Egg and Intergalactic. Yeah. Dragon's Egg and Intergalactic. I'll push. There you go, that's the ones. Yeah. Yeah, basically Intergalactic. I'm gonna get rid of these things so I can show you the actual bath bomb. Yes, I am watching the wrestling. I got on in the background, but I'm not paying much attention, which I should be. So this is the Dragon's Egg bath bomb. It's not much you get. Don't know what the fuck that is, but anyway. This is your Dragon's Egg bath bomb. Not much, but you know. Basically you can. Then this is Integral. I missed the RKO. Oh well. That doesn't bother me. Well, this is Intergalactic. It's the, you know, one of the nicest. It's these actually release off nice blue colours in that. But you know, it's really nice. So basically, I'll just pull the rest of those things out of the box. So I can put the Dragon's Egg and the best looking Intergalactic in the box. And put these things away, like in the bin. Put that on the wrapping paper that they give me from Lush in Cardiff and throw away. Yeah. So basically, yeah. So, hope you enjoyed this video. I mean, it didn't take me long. It took me, I probably took the majority of this video untying this fucking thing, this ribbon, but yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna put that away or in case I need it. I might even need it, so I can put it away till I need it. But if I need it, yeah. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment if you want to see anything else unboxing, like, you know. Like I got a Lightyear kit standing this up, like and that's still in the box. I can use that, but I'll take your candles to it. Yeah, because every time I use that in the night, I always use your candles with it, but I'm not using your candles tight because my ears in pain. Fuck, I keep missing it. But yeah. But but if you want to see me unbox anything else, just comment below.